In this video, I will show how to find the derivative of a product of two functions. So here we have a function that is a product of e to the x and log of x base 2. So we can call it u and v, and u is e to the x, v is log of x base 2. Derivative of u is e to the x, and derivative of v is 1 over x ln 2. And so the product rule says that derivative of f then will be u prime v plus u v prime. So putting it all together, the answer is e to the x times v plus e to the x times v prime. So this is how you find derivative of this product.